move and have easy breaths.
It's the whole trick is to not panic.
I'm recording this.
Hey!
Right?
Hey, how are you doing?
Yeah.
Good?
Okay. I'm sorry. There you go.
It's on your neck.
No, just gotta go for
How do you
weight.
feel, Reed? How do you feel?
My eyes are sweaty.
You're sweating?
My eyes are.
Your eyes are sweating?
Yeah.
Oh,
They're full of water.
Oh, it looks like it's really long. Like a worm.
That's how long I am. It's a chrysalis.
Yeah, exactly. Wait, no, we gotta get it nice and
Your eyes.
smooth here.
Here.
You can break out whenever you want.
you want to break out, Reed? Uh-oh. Look at him.
We got Barry Joel.
He's alive.
Okay, guys, we're gonna have a race. Let's race over there.
How do you feel? Reed,
So
Now
go.
it's better.
you're better now?
Yeah.